New Goyard update. Goyard update. Goyard updates. Goyard updates. Goyard updates. Goyard. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, she shitted, and today we're talking about a new Goyard item that just released. So that's new, you're interested, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm trying to keep these videos short and sweet and under 5 minutes. So we're gonna power through because I tend to ramble and talk a lot. So Goyard released a new scarf. I'm really actually excited about this one. I think it's actually a really good idea because if you guys remember, they did those camouflage bags at the beginning of the year. They're the SAIGONs, the structured SAIGONs with like Goyard, Paris, Rue Saint Honoré, like a really big print with the dots in really big print, like kind of overlapping graffiti look over the bag. I didn't love. It was a lot. It was a little intense. But what they did, which I thought was kind of cool, was they made that into a scarf. So I will read the little description. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Sweaty with the lights, you guys. Bold print. Be the first to discover the new limited edition silk scarf. So good on Goyard. I think this was a good move. Limited edition scarf, great. Scarves are great. We know everyone loves a scarf. You can use it as a twilly, you can tie it, you scarf you can wear multiple different ways. Hermes has made this like a multifunctional piece of article of clothing that you can literally use as a hat, as a hair tie, as a hat, as a scarf, as a belt, as a shirt in some instances, as a like accessory, as an actual scarf, as a bag twilly, as a bag strap, if it's long enough. So the scarf number 5, Lettres Camouflage. Daring and timeless when ancestral savoir-faire meets contemporary creativity. So it's basically, as part of the 170th anniversary celebrations, Goyard imagined a new silk scarf dressed up in a striking camouflage-like print named Lettres Camouflage. Hem-rolled and screen-printed in a strictly artisanal way according to the high standards to dramatically reinvent the signature Goyard chevron in an edgy, oversized format. So it's just like available in 3 limited edition fresh colorways, blue, pink, and green, in a perfect 90 by 90 cm size. The scarf number 5 Lettres Camouflage proves an irresistible shapeshift to be styled in a variety of different ways, tied around the neck, of course, but also as a headscarf, a belt, or elegantly wrapped around the bag handle. The belt, but you can also do it as a shirt. You can do it like, there's plenty of ways. So click on it. Yeah, it's there, and it comes in 3 colors. Actually, the website only shows the one color. Let's see, maybe I have to click on the different ones. Interesting, the color options, it doesn't show the different color options on the website, but this is in, let's do an US. Somehow I'm always defaulting to not US now. But yeah, what do you guys think? You're gonna get it? You're not gonna get it? I have no idea what the price is. I would assume it's like $1,000, like 500 to 1,000 at least, especially for a limited edition scarf. I don't know what the regular scarves are. Never gotten one. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments below. If anyone has this, let me know in the comments below if you got it or not. What do you think? But I think it's kind of cool. It's just like a big scarf with their letters printed everywhere. It's a great way for them to reinvent that pattern that didn't do so well, I think, with the SAIGON. Or maybe it did, who knows? I didn't like it. So it's a great use of that scarf and of that pattern and of those colors. They also posted this thing on Instagram. I'm gonna actually read their Instagram too. Are we hitting 5 minutes? I'm sorry if we are. So they posted it on their Instagram. Classically tied around your neck, elegantly wrapped around your bag's handle, or glamorously covering your mane. No matter how you choose style it, special edition Lettres Camouflage silk scarf number 5 by Goyard never goes unnoticed. First designer do-rag, everything else flea market type vibe. You men doing too much now. These are the comments. Can't see it. Louis Vuitton started down this path of accessories. This is fire. I can't even front. I want this. Oh, I need it for my mane. It's funny. It just came out. They also posted this thing with this like really cool little people in the Goyardine pattern sitting there, and like a kind of music thing for the music festival, for the jazz set in Saint-Germain to play. This was 1 day ago. I think this is really cool too. I have no idea if they're gonna release a bag like this. I think they should. A cool limited edition one with this little like gold orange in the background behind the Goyardine, and then like this it's kind of like a cutout in the middle of like a square of Saint-Germain-des-Prés with people in different colors dancing and like things, and then there's white people like painted clear like people figures that are painted white off of it too. A crazy jam session in Volta Jazz Club in Saint-Germain-des-Prés, a deliciously nostalgic bal musette near Bastille, a wild electronic concert in Beauchamont Park, a happily loud block party in your neighborhood. For today's Fête de la Musique, Paris, the city Goyard has called home since 1853, becomes a magical movable feast once described by Hemingway, with music and fêtes at every corner. Goyard wish all music lovers every wonderful musical day. I don't know if that's just like a thing or if they're actually going to release anything of this, but I think they should do something of this. That's really cool. Not gonna lie, I think that one's really good. Okay, that's all I got. Hopefully I kept it within 5 minutes. Let me know what you guys think, okay, in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your next. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. Appreciate you spending no time here with me. Okay, bye. Bye.